How to update Block Blast app on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open App Store on your device and now tap on the search bar there and search for Block Blast. If the app shows update instead of open, then your app requires an update, and if your app shows open, then it means that your app is updated. Mine is showing update here, so I will go ahead and tap on the update button and wait for the update to complete. And once completed, tap on the open button to launch the application, and with this, your Block Blast app will be updated. So this is how you can update Block Blast app on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.